before we continue with indices, there's a skill that you should master before we carry on. In the previous video, I briefly explained how to do this. So in this video, it's just a test to see if you understand it. Try to master this skill before you carry on. Okay, so what is this times this? So press pause and have a go. So here to do this, merge the 4 and the 3 together, so that equals 12, and then get the x times with the x here. So so here you've got x to the x squared times x to the power of 4. So that's really x to the power of 6. Okay, and now sort out the y. So y to the power of 5 times y to the power of 3. So that's y to the power of 8. Okay, so this is your answer. All right. So next one. So well, what is this time? Well, what's the whole thing here times this thing here? Okay. So press pause and have a go. So merge the 4 and the 5 together. So that will be 20. Okay. And now the x. Get the x times with the x over here. So that would be x to the power of 8, and then y times the y over here. So that should be y to the power of 5. Okay, so this is your answer here. All right, next one here. Yeah. So press pause and have a go. So 3 times with the 7, that would be 21, and then you have to get x to the power of 7, and then times x squared. So that would be x to the power of 9. And then you've got, so when y is on its own, you can think of it as y to the power of 1, or 1 block of y, and then over here you've got 6 blocks of y. So so here it's y to the power of 1 times y to the power of 6, so that would be y to the power of 7. Okay, so this here would be your answer. Okay, next one. Yeah, so press pause. So who cares if there's a z here? It's just it doesn't really matter if there's a z there. Well, anyway, press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's merge the 2 and the 9 together. That should be 18, and then x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 2. So that's x to the power of 7, and then y to the power of 3 times y to the power of 6. That's y to the power of 9. And remember, they're all multiplying each other. So it's just like this here. You can merge these two together. So that's z to the power of 5. So this whole thing here is your answer. Okay. All right. The last one here. So you can imagine this as to the power of 1 to the power of 1. Well, it's up to you how you do it, or you can just imagine it as like this: 8 times x times y here, and then you've got to times it with a 5, times it with the x, times it with the y, times it with the z here, and then well, just get all the numbers, merge all the numbers together, merge all the x's, merge the y's, press pause and have a go. Okay, so this times this here would be 40, and then x times x. Well, what's x times x? X times x equals x squared. So this will be x squared, and y times y would be y squared. And then you just got to times the z at the end. So let's just bung it in there. So they're all multiplying each other. So this whole thing here equals this. Okay.